75 BYU right there, 75 Mod Squad Mobile, 75 Mod Squad Mobile right back. Hello 75 Mod Squad Honolulu. Got it all, 75. You doing your thing, 75 BYU. Take your 75 in a BYU, Mod Squad Mobile. 75 Mod Squad Honolulu. Take your 75 BYU, Mod Squad Honolulu. Checking the mail right back. Aloha. Got it all, 75. Got it all, 75. You guys have a good afternoon, late afternoon, evening. Hey, 75. Mod Squad Mobile. Back cruising the Mobile. Aloha. Bye, SwitchBlade. Bye, SwitchBlade. I got to wave at Capital 1. I heard him before you keyed, man. Hello, Capital 1. You too? Hey, SwitchBlade. It's been a while. It's been a while, but we ain't going to quit. We ain't going to quit there. Take care once again. Hey, SwitchBlade. Mod Squad right back. Aloha. And there you go, SwitchBlade. There you go, SwitchBlade. I have a lot of fun doing it, man. I have a lot of fun doing it. That's why I keep on doing it. Take care, SwitchBlade. You all have a good one. You too, Capital 1. That SwitchBlade got them all down. You guys take care. Mod Squad, Mobile, working it out in Honolulu. Aloha. I think so there. I think so, SwitchBlade. Hey, SwitchBlade, I know you have a whole lot of fun every time. And then you get to work the smoker. You get to work the smoker when everybody come around and meet you there. Come on. That's right. Hey, ModSquad, SwitchBlade, I got a fine autograph. When I go to New Orleans, I got a fine autograph. And then when I go to Oakland, California, later in the weekend to the James Brothers function, I got a fine autograph. You know that, man. Hey, I'll probably meet you there, man. I'll probably meet you on the west side too there. Hey, I'm trying to work it out with Showdown so we can make it, man. Have a good one, SwitchBlade, Capital 1, and whoever else is out there. Y'all take care. Be Mod Squad Honolulu. 40 years in the business. Aloha. I sure will, man. We're going to work it out with Showdown, man, because he want to go. So we're going to work it out, man. Have a good one now. Take care, SwitchBlade. You way up in there, man. SwitchBlade, you way up in there. Have a good one, SwitchBlade. Mod Squad Mobile, Honolulu. Mod Squad Mobile, right around 12 in the afternoon. Right around lunch hour. Bang, bang, bang. Mod Squad gone.
Yeah, you bring that possum sandwich. You bring that possum sandwich, man, so I can feed Showdown. You bring that possum sandwich so I can feed Showdown now. Take your, hey, take your SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade, Mod Squad, right back, aloha. Bye. Take it as you losing condition. Capital1 in there. Capital1, I wave at you too, Capital1. Take it, Capital1. Take it, SwitchBlade. Mother Nature shifting around. Capital1, you working that thing too. Mod Squad gone. Aloha. And I'll let Capital1, you said hello. I'll let Capital1 know you said hello, SwitchBlade. Take your SwitchBlade with the fire to Capital1. Mod Squad gone. Aloha. Bye, Capital1. Bye, Capital1. Take care, Capital1. Take care, SwitchBlade. He waved right back, SwitchBlade. Capital1 waved right back. He appreciated it. Mod Squad Mobile. Aloha. I didn't see. I did not see. Okay, appreciate it. I stood by. I didn't see. Take care, Mod Squad, SwitchBlade. You got them all down, SwitchBlade, man. You got some numbers in Honolulu. Hey, SwitchBlade, you got some numbers. Mod Squad gone. Aloha. That's because you're on that Wolf Lake. You're on that Wolf Lake, that's why. Everybody gonna want to go to Wolf Lake and talk radio. Aloha. Bye, SwitchBlade. Bye, SwitchBlade. Bye to the gang in the hog yard. Bye to the gang in the hog yard. Mod Squad. Aloha. They're talking about possum. Aloha. Bye, Capital1. Bye, Capital1. Mod Squad. Aloha.